There are multiple different reasons why you would want to have a bank account in a US based company. But how the hell do you do that when you are not a USA citizen? How do Australians, for instance, open a bank account in the US of A? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to explain to you why you might want to do that for sure. If you like this kind of content where we're talking about how you can make more money online, whether that's Amazon or eBay or Etsy or Shopify, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and consider subscribing to my channel. I post new videos every single day, all about helping you make muchos cashola online. If you've got something you want me to talk about, if you just got some feedback for me, or if you want to ask me a question, post in the comments below and I'll make sure I take care of it there for you too. With that being said, let me show you how to do it. Let's suppose you do sell dog houses, okay? You do sell dog houses and you're thinking to yourself, well, I want to, let's just do that search again. I want to dominate dog houses. I want to dominate dog houses. I want to sell and rank there, and I also want to sell and rank there, and I also want to sell and rank there, and I also want to sell and rank here. Okay? Top 4 sponsored listings. How do you do that? Well, to do that, you need multiple Amazon accounts, which is, strictly speaking, out of the terms of service. You are able to sometimes get a second Amazon account if you've got a very, very good reason for doing that. But to get 4, never going to happen. How the hell do you do it? Well, what you need is you need a bank account in the US of A in a LLC name whilst you are in, for instance, Australia, okay? But how the hell do you do that? How do you get a bank account with a debit card or credit card in the US of A if you are an Australian citizen? Here's how you do it. So there's 2 ways you can do it. So I'm going to tell you the easy way to do it, which is if you just want a bank account, not for a black hat thing, but you just want a bank account in the USA, you want to have US dollars there, you want to have your Amazon account there. You just want to separate it out, okay? No worries at all. Here's how you do it. This is a new company called relayfi.com. RELAYFI.com, okay? This is brand spankly new. And if we go to the FAQs, it says who can use Relay? Relay offers banking for US corps, LLCs, blah, blah, blah. We support business owners that are citizens all over the world, including Australia. Okay, so Relay will give you a US-based bank account if you are an Australian citizen living in Australia. Well, that's kind of cool. That's great. You could definitely use that for some cool things. There's lots of instances where you would want to have that. But what if you wanted to go to the next level and get all black hatty and do some do some weird shit? Well, for that, you'll need this. You will form, or the best way of doing it is to form a limited liability corporation in the state of Wyoming. Now, why Wyoming? Well, Wyoming is an interesting state of America because their laws around privacy and transparency for LLCs are very, very good for hiding stuff, okay? Just like Delaware is another one, okay? But Wyoming, specifically for what we're looking at, is the one you want. So you can form your own LLC in America, and you are, of course, resident of Australia and tax resident and citizen of Australia. You can still form an LLC in Wyoming. That's no problem at all. So you form your LLC and then you use your LLC to get your Relay bank account, and then your bank account is in the name of your LLC. You can then use that to start your Amazon account to give you a second Amazon account, which you can use for all sorts of cool shit. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A, which I do with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. We have over 2,500 members and growing, with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about joining the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, click on the link below and we'll take you there, or just go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you next time.